introduce myself. My name is Farheen Sheikh and I am from Powai Municipal English Secondary School. Children, today we are going to learn a new topic from our grammar section. And the name of our topic is tenses. Now when you hear the tenses word, you all start thinking that whether it is tenses or it is tension. So I'm going to release your tension today and we are going to learn tenses. We are going to study tenses in a very simple way. Few formulas and few tips I am going to give you, which you shall note down in your notebook.
टीचर
Please. Yes.
मुझे ना मैं बराबर दो दिन से ना कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ तो मुझे निकाल दे रही।
यस टीचर मेरे को भी
Okay.
टीचर मेरा
Okay. Now it will listen. Everybody listen to me.
टीचर कनेक्ट नहीं होता है।
Mute your mic. I am telling what was the problem. There was a technical problem with Zoom app.
टीचर मुझे तो बाहर ही फेंक देता है।
Hey, don't talk in this way. I am giving you the solution.
टीचर मेरे को भी बाहर फेंक देता है।
Yes, mute your mic, please. नहीं तो अभी भी निकाल दिए जाओगे. There was a technical problem in Zoom app. अब वो technical problem solve हो गया है. Now maximum number of students can join these lectures. From today, the technical issue is solved. So all the students can join these lectures from today itself. I hope it is clear now. Daily you have to join at 8 o'clock and you will be connected. Okay? Now everybody mute your mic,
Okay,
please.
teacher.
Please mute your mic and don't say yes or no.
टीचर
So let us begin with our topic today, that is tenses. See, I told tension, it is tenses. Okay? Be ready with your notebook and pen and everybody will look on the board. So let us start, children. All of you look on the board here. Our today's topic is tenses. Everybody will look on the board first and I shall give you time to write down for few seconds. Okay? Now, children, you all know that tenses is connected with time. Yes? You all think that tenses is connected with time. But here, tenses is also connected with your work. And this is very important. Tenses is also connected with your work. Now, work means what? It is related with our action. It is related with verb. So, time plus verb makes the tenses. First of all, you should understand this concept. Tenses is the combination of time and verb. You know very well, children, verb is our action. Right from 5th standard, you are learning what is verb? It is action. But there is one more verb which is also the helping verbs. Helping verbs. Now in tenses, action verb and helping verb plays very important role. Action verb and helping verb. Both these plays very important role in tenses. verbs. Now you will tell teacher we are learning tenses and you are talking about verbs. But children, verb is very important for studying tenses. Children, you all know verb has three forms. Verb has three forms. I will give you a quick example. For example, if I write, wrote, written. Write, wrote, written. These are the three forms of verb. These are the three forms of verb. Most of the time, you children get confused or you children forget this third form, which we call it as past participle. Now, for your understanding, we will call it as PP. We will call it as PP. Remember this word. ये पूरे tenses में हमें helpful होने वाला है. Whenever I say PP, you should understand that it is the third form of the verb. PP is the third form of the verb, which means past participle. You always remember the first two forms. Right, wrote तक तुम लोग याद रखते हो, लेकिन third वाला form you get bit confused. So third form is the past participle, and we will call it as PP. Okay. In the same way, if I say call, second form is called, and third form also called. Now there are some words which remain same in the third form also, in the PP also. यहाँ पर देखो write, wrote, written change हो गया है, but there are some words which remain same in the third form as in the second. Second और third form same होता है कुछ words का. If I say eat, ate, eaten. Eat, ate, eaten. This is our PP. Eaten is our PP. If I say play, then second form played and third form also played. So there are some words which changes in the third form and there are some words which remain same in the third form as in the second. See here also played remain the same in the third form. Now children, why I am explaining this? Because for learning the tenses, for studying the tenses, such type of verbs are very important. Then and then only you will be able to understand the tenses. Now I give you 2 seconds. Quickly write down these forms of verb. Beginning from here. Okay, I'm rubbing the board here. Now children, you all know very well there are 3 types of tenses. Present, present tense, past tense and future tense. There are 3 types of tenses. Present tense, past tense and future tense. These tenses are having the subtenses also. Quickly note down this in your notebook. 3 types of tenses. Now we shall learn one by one all the 3 tenses. So let us begin with our present tense. Put the title as present tense. Present tense. Now children, here there are 4 types in all the 3 tenses. Those 4 types we shall learn one by one. Which is the first one? We are having simple present. Simple present. It is simple present. Now in simple present, there are 4 types. No, in simple. Then second is present continuous. Present continuous. Third is present perfect. And fourth is the combination of these 2. So what will be the name? Present perfect continuous. So it's very easy to remember the name also. Simple present, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. These are the 4 types in present tense. Remember these names, children, and quickly write down in few seconds. Okay. Now we shall study one by one all these 4 types. So let us begin with simple present. We are learning present tense and we are learning the types of it, in which the first is simple present. Now what is simple present, children? How to identify simple present tense? हमें ये कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये simple present का sentence है? I am giving you few tips here. The very first simple present में हमेशा fact होता है, fact. The statement or the sentence is related with fact. Now what is fact? Fact is the truth, the reality, the universal truth. Now we will ask teacher, what is the example? The example is the sun is star. The sun is star. From reading the statement, sentence, you can very well understand that this is the universal truth. इसको हम change नहीं कर सकते हैं, है ना? The sun is star. It is universal reality. We cannot change this. It is a fact. Some few other examples. Like the earth revolves round the sun, the stars twinkle at night, there are 4 oceans on the earth. Children, these are all universal truth. So such universal truth are nothing but the simple present tense. If in exam such type of factual statement or universal truth statement comes, you can very well write the answer that it is simple present. Remember this. Now second is very important, habit. Simple present tense में habit होती है. If in the sentence it is I exercise daily. I exercise daily. From the sentence you can understand children कि यहाँ पर हमें नहीं पता चलता है कि एक्शन हो गई है या एक्शन होने वाली है, लेकिन क्या पता चलता है that it is the habit. मैं डेली एक्सरसाइज करता हूँ. It is your habit. So such type of sentence is simple present tense. Another example like my grandfather goes to walk daily. I read newspaper every day. So these are the examples of habit, which is nothing but the simple present tense. Okay, children? So whenever you see the sentence of habit, you can very well write the answer that it is simple present tense. Next is the proverbs. Now proverbs, children, when you are in the school, on the board, on the top of the board here, every day you write some proverbs. For example, if I say time is money. Time is money. So this is a proverb. Knowledge is power. Time waits for no one. Such proverbs are the simple present tense. So children, when you see such type of sentence which are related with fact, which are related with habit, which are related with proverbs, you can very well write the answer that it is simple present tense. Almas teacher, are you there? Almas teacher? Hello, Almas teacher.
Yes, I'm there.
Teacher, some students, on my mobile pop-up message is coming that students are holding your camera. So approve and decline, it's coming. So my camera is switching off.
Acha, this.
I'm
Okay, I
getting
will
the
see.
pop-up message that
Acha,
students
what they
are
are doing?